Seriously, man, this modernization, this westernization has ruined a lot of things. Let me ask you this question. How many of you think life has gone like fast and crazy, especially in the past 20, 30 years? Some of you are like just 20, 30, but but I cannot change the question for that, Yeah? See, my theory is that life has been the same. It is that one thing all of us have at home. It is creating that illusion that life is worse than what it is. It is that one thing all of us have at home. It is screaming and shouting all the time. It is making an illusion that life has gone crazy. It is driving us nuts. You know what I'm talking about, yeah? Yeah, it's children now. Wow. Good luck. Getting married and have a lovely life, man. God bless you. Yeah. And some ladies would have been thinking mother-in-laws, or the guys would have been thinking wives. No, the television, guys. See, TV has changed so much, no? In the past 20, 30 years. You imagine TV, how it was like 30 years ago. Even the shape was different, no? You have it right here. It used to look really big. It used to be fat. It used to have a huge... Right? And it was not colorful, right? But I'm telling you, that time it knew its limits, man. It behaved properly. Now this thing has gotten like thin, like flat, high definition, curvy and all. Maybe that's why it's behaving bitchy. I have this feeling. I'll give you an example. You get up in the morning, switch on the TV for some morning news. The channel music itself will give you hypertension. It will raise the blood pressure like crazy. Morning news, breaking news, flash news. Shit is happening all over the world. As per the latest report, shit is hitting the ceiling. It is spreading rapidly towards all of us. We'll come back with more shit on that report right after. You'll be like, what happened? What happened, Pa? What happened? I don't know what happened here, but looks like we are in deep shit. That's how you're made to feel in the morning, early morning. That's how you're made to feel. But 30 years ago, that was not the case. Yeah, you get up in the morning, switch on the TV. Doordarshan was the only channel. You switch on the TV, the channel music comes on. Yeah? You remember the channel music for Doordarshan? Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra. Yes, shit is happening all over the world, but that's okay, you relax. Remember, life is a circle. What is up will be down, and what is down will be up. You relax. You do your job, be good, do good. Everything else will fall in place. Relax. That's how life should be, no? What do you think? Yeah. That's how life should be, man. Why do we need so many channels, 20, 30 channels running and screaming all the time, yeah? Running and screaming about the same thing in different ways all the time, right? They're running so crazy. Every few minutes they have to say this. Viewers, we'll take a short break. We'll be right back. You stay tuned right there. You see what these idiots are saying? They will take a break, huh? We have to stay tuned right there, huh? Can I go to the kakus bathroom for 2 minutes? I'll be back. I'm not gone for 2 hours. No, don't be left out. We'll be right back. Okay, sir, I'll be here. Don't play that music. I'll be here. Right? They literally put their hands out and like, hold you, man. Doordarshan will never do that to us, man. DD has never done that to us. Their announcement is always on a different level, you know. Like, remember their frequent announcement? அடுத்த நிகழ்ச்சி பற்றி அறிவிப்பு இன்னும் சில நொடிகளில். Meaning, the announcement about the next program will resume shortly. You see that beauty? You see that beauty? It is not the next program that will resume shortly. It is announcement about the next program that will resume shortly. And shortly after that, the program will resume. And nobody knows how shortly is that shortly. It may be shortly, it may be long shortly. They'll be like, sir, we are giving it a shot. Once it's ready, it will come. What is your problem? Relax. Relax. It will come, sir. Now the stupid thing we have, this TV, is so restless, no? It is constantly trying to go into the future. So restless. It's driving us restless also. In the morning, 8:30 itself, they start announcing what is coming in the night. Tonight at 8:30, the nation's biggest debate on intolerance. You want to know, you better want to know. The nation wants to know, you better be there. Here is what is coming in the night. They not only announce what is coming in the night, they start playing. The night program starts coming in the morning. Next day program starts coming the previous night. Next week's the previous week. They pretty much know the future, man. They are designing the future for us. They're like, you think today is bad? Tomorrow you are dead, man. We got much better things planned out for us. Crazy, sad people, man. But Doordarshan, I'm telling you, even today, Doordarshan is always living in the moment, yeah. Seriously, DD is the true yogic channel, you know. Living in the moment. Like, you remember that guy in the regional TV who will come in the morning, read the schedule for the day? He'll have that blissful smile on his face. We don't know what he smokes, but you know. Vanakkam, meaning good morning. இன்றைய நிகழ்ச்சிகள் காலை 6 மணிக்கு காலை நிகழ்ச்சிகள், முற்பகல் 11 மணிக்கு முற்பகல் நிகழ்ச்சிகள், பிற்பகல் 2 மணிக்கு பிற்பகல் நிகழ்ச்சிகள். See, very clear. Schedule means schedule. You don't get into the details. He wouldn't get into the details because he wouldn't know. அது வேற டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் சார். We don't. We just schedule department. Afternoon 2 o'clock, afternoon programs. இரவு 8:30 மணிக்கு இரவு நிகழ்ச்சிகள் டெல்லியில இருந்து அஞ்சலாகும். டெல்லி டேக் ஓவர்மா. நாளை ஆயிடுத்து. See you tomorrow. It's been a hectic day, you know. Delhi take over. See, I'm telling you, sir, I grew up in a village. I don't speak or understand Hindi even today. I'm telling you, that's a blessing, man. Because it's a blessing. Because at 8:30, Delhi takes over. That means only Hindi. That means you can switch off the TV, you can go live your life, yeah. Like it should be lived. Right? And if you still insist on keeping the TV on, at 10:30 even Delhi will go home. They will switch off too. You will get that Doordarshan static screen, yeah? And you remember the background music for that? Just a beep. That means like, go sleep.